Hello there, in this tutorial we will show how to post a job on Hired. After you log in, click Post Jobs and then click Create New Job. If you have access to your company, you will see the name under Company. Choose the correct name and start posting. If you don't have access, write your company name and press Enter from your keyboard. Click Create New Company. If your company already exists in Hired's database, click Contact Hired and send message from the chat box. If your company is new, write your company name and click Create New Company. Upload your company logo and write your company description. Then go to Job Info and write all required information for the jobs you are posting. Go to Candidate and fill up all required information. Go to Publishing Options and write the application link of the job. You can put URL or email address for the application. If you are posting job for global, choose visibility as global and save job ad. If you are posting job for a specific school, choose school name from the list and save job ad.